This kit review is of some accessories. This is a 1/35 scale jerry can set, and it's made by Tamiya. So you get 6 drum cans, you get 9 jerry cans, 4 buckets, and then there's the German ones, and then 9 US jerry cans. So different accessories. You can put them on tanks or in dioramas. Let's have a look on the inside here. Very simple instructions there. 4 pieces or 2 pieces each. And let's have a look at our. Maybe we can do it this way. Let's look at our sprues. You get 2 sprues in this kit here. And these are the fairly beaten up drums, and these two will go together. These are the nice clean ones, but these are the beaten up ones. And then we've got the bottom and tops there. These are the ones with the openings, so it's going to be the top. Here we've got a bucket with a handle, multiple buckets there. And then we've got the jerry cans, gas cans. So multiple options there. So 11 and 12 go together. So these two will go together, these two will go together, and then so on. So these have got to be, let's see here. These ones are the US gas cans or jerry cans, and then these ones are the German ones. So nice little accessory set. 1/35 scale. You can add it to your diorama with your tanks or other military equipment.